This video will cover setting up the Microsoft Teams integration in My Repairs Online. First, click Setup Teams. As I'm already signed into Teams, all I'll need to do is enter my 2FA code. If you're not signed in already, you'll just be prompted to do so. After that's verified, we then get to select which Teams channel we want the repair notifications to post to. After that's all done, we can log a repair like normal, and then see how that appears in Teams. It'll show under the channel that you linked, giving you the important information at a glance. You can also click the link to be navigated back to My Repairs.